RS e-tron GT has impressive numbers. So over 640 horsepower, and it accelerates in under 3.5 seconds from 0 to 100. The e-tron GT is a really fascinating Gran Turismo with an extraordinary design. The RS e-tron GT marks a new era of RS, and so it marks our start into high-performance segment in the electric way. The RS e-tron GT will be the strongest model RS we have ever offered at Audi, and we are proud of. We will be ahead of our core competitors in the market. So my personal highlight when I sit in the Audi RS e-tron GT is when I'm sitting behind the steering wheel and when I'm pushing the pedal is the acceleration. When you accelerate in under 3.5 seconds to 100 in a Gran Turismo, it's absolutely amazing. So I'm getting goosebumps and I'm just smiling when I get out of the car, so it's perfect. So our future plan at Audi Sport with the portfolio is starting right away today. So the RS e-tron GT will be the first fully electric car. For the future, we will keep successful ICE engines. We will have fascinating fully electric concepts, and we were working on so-called performance PHEV concepts. All in all, we put together customer feedback, journalist feedback, and we look into global trends, we look into market and segment trends, and in the end, we put all it together to have the perfect recipe to create our product portfolio.